Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Loren, and today we have a short Yoga Nidra meditation designed specifically for anyone engaged in physical training who needs deep restoration and recovery. That will help guide you into a state of profound relaxation, activating the parasympathetic nervous system to help support muscle repair, nervous system balance, and overall recovery. Begin to find yourself in your most comfortable position for Yoga Nidra. You might be new to the practice, and if you are, traditionally this practice is done lying down in Shavasana, with the spine straight, the hands down by the hips and the palms facing upwards. But what's most important is that you find a position that works best for your body. One where you can settle into complete stillness and relaxation. So bring in props and pillows to support you. Cover the body to keep warm. And maybe even cover the eyes with a soft, light cloth. If you're not covering your eyes, close the eyes or take a soft gaze. And let's start with just noticing your body resting on the surface below you. Feel heaviness start to take over the body. A wave of heaviness that moves down from the head all the way to the tips of the toes. And this heaviness feels like you can start to release held tension in the muscles of the body. Seeping down deeper into fascia, deeper into the bones, all the way to the marrow. You feel this heaviness that pushes tension outwards and out the body. Notice your breath. After your next natural exhale, begin to breathe in for a count of 4. Slowly through the nose, and then exhale for a count of 4. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 4. Inhale 4. Exhale 4. 2 more times at your own pace. Let's welcome your intention to the practice. Mentally repeat 1 time. I honor rest as an essential part of my strength. Become fully aware of your mouth, the jaw, releasing the jaw and any tension in the surrounding area, the tongue, tip of the nose, inside of the right nostril, inside of the left nostril, the flow of air moving in and out your nose, the space between the eyebrows, both ears listening, the sternum, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, palm of the right hand, right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, right side of the waist, right hip, right knee, right ankle. Feel the entire foot, right big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe. Return to the center of the heart. Left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, palm of the left hand, left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left side waist, left hip, left knee, left ankle. Become aware of your entire left foot, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe. Sense into the entire body. Becoming immersed in the experience of the whole body. The whole body, front and back, left and right, the surface and deeply within, the whole body. Allow your attention to move to your breath. Become fully aware of your natural breath moving in and out. Inhales and exhales. All of your awareness present to the rhythm of your breath. If it would feel good to you as you watch your breath in your own unique way, begin to imagine that oxygen is flowing to your tired muscles. And the oxygen that flows there reduces any tension and inflammation, flooding each area of your body and the parts where we want to feel more recovered with oxygen rich with healing properties. Full of the healing properties of oxygen flowing to these muscles. Easily let go of the awareness of your breath and move your attention to behind your forehead and rest here in pure awareness in this state of deep rest for a few moments. Welcome back in your intention. Mentally repeating 3 times. I honor rest as an essential part of my strength. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let the breath go out the mouth. slowly awakening the body by becoming aware of the earth beneath you. Sensing into the room that you're in and the walls that surround you. Start to move fingers and toes. Maybe turning the head from side to side. And before you open the eyes, taking notice of how the body has shifted in a short amount of time. And allow yourself to return back to your day slowly and with intention. As your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.